first things first, we need a scissor. So we got this. Why am I looking at my... Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and we're gonna do an unboxing video of my computer seat that just came here today. Yeah, we got it from Amazon. It took a few days before it got shipped. It's from AK Racing. It's one of the brands that has really good reviews when it comes to computer seats. And so what are we waiting for? Let's open it. It's so heavy. Why did we decide to buy this seat is because I sit in front of the computer like almost the whole day, every day. I've been using the dining chair. It's a good investment to buy a good seat because you're going to be using it for every day. I just joke a little bit. Why do I sit in front of the computer almost the whole day, every day? It's because I make vlogs and I also make YouTube videos. Right now, I'm still trying to learn how to use Final Cut Pro. The first one that came out is this. I hate that sound. Ta-da! It's so fancy. We actually went to Yodobashi first and checked out other seats, computer seats, and then this is what I chose. When we went there, it was out of stock, so we decided to buy it on Amazon. And I'm going to be putting the link on the description box below. Please feel free to check it out. Holy crap. Oh, it's heavy. This is for the head thing. I specifically chose a leather seat. I don't like the velvety kind of texture on the seat. I want it to be all leather. And they happen to have no stock of this in all leather, so we bought it from Amazon. Oh, it's so heavy. Got the manual. Well, we'll figure out later what these are for. Oh, it comes with a glove. For now, I'm just gonna take everything out of the box first. These are the things that came out of the box. The back part of the seat, there's a cushion for your neck, cushion for your back. There's the manual and how to assemble it. And I think this is for under the seat, like lever. And that's the part of the base of the seat. So we're going to start assembling, and I'm going to do it on time-lapse. Okay, now it's time to use my muscles. So we finished this 3 steps. Now we're going to the next step 4. Next, we do this. So, for the wheels, see this? You just put it in the hole, and then. What? Oh shit! Okay, wait, don't. Alright, so yeah, it's not that hard to assemble, it's just a bit heavy. It's quite nice. There you go. Now I'm gonna put these things. This is for the neck. Just turn it. It's gonna be here. And so what you have to do is just grab this elastic from the hole. So you grab one and position it like this. The insertion should be on the side. So you just put the elastic there, insert it, and then grab a part of the elastic from the other hole. There, and then slide it to this plastic. And there you go. As easy as that. So this is the reclining lever. You just pull it up, and the seat will go automatically back up. And you just pull it up again and then put a little bit weight on the back, and then it goes reclining. Yeah, so it can go as far as this. This is the farthest it can go down. And you can actually lay flat on your back.
Oh, it goes all the way.
And it also has this rocking kind of movement. But if you don't like that movement, you see this lever, you just push it inside. Well, it's all you push inside. So if you want it to rock, like a rocking chair, just pull it outside, going to this direction, which says free. And then if you don't want it to rock, just push it inside, going to the lock direction. And going up and down, same thing. Up and then down, you just put a little bit weight in the seat, and then it goes down. Yep. Under the chair, there is this knob. This is used for adjusting the tilt of the chair when it rocks. So you just turn it if you want to adjust. So it can do this movement like a rocking chair. Yeah, so you can see. Ooh, yeah. It's nice. It feels good at this angle. But if you recline to the maximum, to the lowest point it can recline, it kind of feels like you're going to fall. Oh gosh. Oh, it goes all the way. Okay. And what else does it do? Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. So there's a button here under this armrest, and you just press it, and then it goes up, and then it goes down. This is a really comfy seat. So nice. And what I like about it is it's all leather. Anyway, watch out for my other videos that I'll be uploading for the next few weeks. It's gonna be like past videos from trips I haven't uploaded yet, and also other unboxing videos like my iMac. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Stay safe, spread love, not the virus. Bye.